Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for creative and profitable ways to utilize scrap wood lying around your home, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of wooden crafts and how you can turn simple pieces of wood into money-making projects. Woodworking has become increasingly popular as a hobby and a means of income. With the right skills and a little imagination, you can transform leftover wood into beautiful crafts that not only enhance your space, but can also be sold for profit. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, our projects are designed to be simple yet effective. Each project we will discuss today can be made quickly and easily, ensuring that you can start making money in no time. Scrap wood is often underestimated. However, this video will show you how to see the potential in those leftover pieces. From small decor items to functional tools, the possibilities are endless. Remember, great projects often start with what many consider waste. What's even better is that these wooden crafts don't require extensive tools or materials. Most of the projects we'll feature today can be made using just basic woodworking tools and some creativity. Throughout this video, I will showcase several projects. We'll guide you through each step, explain the materials needed, and provide tips on how to add your unique flair to these crafts. But before we get started, let's talk about the benefits of selling wooden crafts. For one, they have a wide market appeal. Unique handmade items often attract buyers looking for gifts or home decor, so you're likely to find a good audience. Not to mention, selling your crafts allows you to share your passion for woodworking with others and connect with a community of like-minded individuals. Platforms like Etsy, craft fairs, and local markets are great avenues to showcase your creations. Now, if you're concerned about the craftsmanship, don't worry. The projects I will share today are designed to be beginner-friendly, yet offer impressive results. Confidence and practice will build your skills over time. Additionally, we'll talk about some essential tips on pricing your crafts right. Knowing how to value your time and materials can be the difference between making a profit and just breaking even. Pricing strategies can be nuanced, so we'll cover that too. As we go through the projects, feel free to jot down any ideas or modifications you'd like to make. Remember, the goal is to make these projects your own. Personalization adds value and makes your crafts even more special. At the end of this video, we'll also showcase some successful wooden crafts from our viewers, so stay tuned to see some terrific examples of how others are turning their scrap wood into thriving businesses. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy what you see. Your support helps us create more content like this, bringing you innovative ideas and woodworking tips. So grab your safety goggles, dust off that toolbox, and let's get started on these money-making wooden crafts. You might be surprised at just how much you can earn with a little creativity and a piece of wood. Let's jump right into our first project. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. It's not only easy, but incredibly fun. So without further ado, let's see what we can create today. As we embark on this journey of crafting, I want you to keep in mind that every great artisan started somewhere. What matters most is your willingness to learn and experiment. Each project will help you build confidence in your skills and inspire you to tackle even bigger creations in the future. Throughout the video, I'll also share some insights into sourcing affordable or free scrap wood. You'll be amazed at how many places you can find wood to use, from construction sites to old furniture. I'll provide tips on how to repurpose these materials, giving them new life instead of adding to landfills. I'll also touch on the importance of sustainability in woodworking. By using scrap wood, You not only save money, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Emphasizing eco-friendly practices can also attract more customers who value sustainability in the products they purchase. As we progress, I encourage you to try these projects alongside me. Pause the video if you need to gather materials, and don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section. I'm here to help you every step of the way. To inspire you even further, I'll highlight successful stories from other crafters who've turned their hobbies into profitable ventures. Hearing how others made their wood projects a success can be incredibly motivating and provide valuable insights on your own journey. By the end of this video, you'll have an arsenal of ideas to choose from. Whether you want to make something small to gift or larger items for a local market, the skills you acquire today will set a strong foundation for future projects. As you create your crafts, don't forget to take pictures, document your progress, and finish projects. Sharing your work not only builds your confidence, but also creates a portfolio that can attract customers when you decide to sell. In the spirit of community, if you create something inspired by this video, tag us on social media. We would love to see your unique creations and how you put your spin on the projects we shared. I also want to remind you that every mistake is a learning opportunity. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out as expected. Each project will teach you something valuable, helping you refine your crafting skills over time. As we delve deeper into each project, I'll highlight the tools and techniques used. Understanding why certain tools are essential and how to use them properly will enhance your woodworking skills and ensure safety while you create. By embracing a positive mindset and a spirit of experimentation, you can truly enjoy the process of crafting. Remember, it's not just about selling a product. It's about creating something meaningful and enjoying the art of woodworking. So make sure you stay until the end of the video. We'll recap all the projects and provide you with a few bonus tips on marketing your crafts online and offline. Your creations deserve to be seen, and we'll help you get them out into the world. So without further ado, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the first project. I promise you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. Ready? Let's turn that scrap wood into some amazing crafts and kickstart our journey to making money.